Arthritis and joint health are topics that resonate with many of us, especially as we age. It's not just an old person's ailment, it can affect anyone, regardless of age or lifestyle. Understanding arthritis is crucial because it can significantly impact our daily lives. Arthritis primarily refers to inflammation of the joints, and there are over 100 different types. The most common ones are osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Osteoarthritis is often a result of wear and tear on the joints, while rheumatoid arthritis is an autoimmune condition where the body mistakenly attacks its own tissues. Both can lead to pain, stiffness, and reduced mobility, making even simple tasks challenging. Now, let's talk about the symptoms. Pain is the most obvious one, but you might also experience swelling, tenderness, and a decreased range of motion. It's essential to listen to your body. If you notice persistent discomfort, it's time to consult a healthcare professional. Early diagnosis can make a world of difference in managing the condition effectively. Diet plays a significant role in joint health. Incorporating anti-inflammatory foods can help. Think of fatty fish like salmon, nuts, seeds, and plenty of fruits and vegetables. Turmeric, with its active compound curcumin, is particularly beneficial. It's a staple in Indian cuisine and can be easily added to your meals. Staying hydrated is also crucial. Water helps maintain joint lubrication. Physical activity is another key factor. While it might seem counterintuitive to exercise when you're in pain, gentle movements can actually help reduce stiffness and improve flexibility. Activities like swimming, yoga, and walking are excellent choices. They keep the joints moving without putting too much strain on them. Weight management is equally important. Extra weight puts additional pressure on your joints, especially the knees and hips. Maintaining a healthy weight can alleviate some of that stress, making movement easier and less painful. Let's not forget the importance of rest. Your body needs time to recover, especially if you're experiencing flare-ups. Finding a balance between activity and rest is vital. In addition to lifestyle changes, there are various treatments available. Over-the-counter pain relievers can provide temporary relief, but it's essential to discuss long-term strategies with your doctor. Physical therapy can also be beneficial, helping you strengthen the muscles around your joints and improve your overall function. Finally, let's talk about the mental aspect. Living with arthritis can be frustrating and isolating. It's important to connect with others who understand what you're going through. Support groups, whether in person or online, can provide a sense of community and shared experiences. If you found this information helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights on health and wellness. And I'd love to hear your thoughts or experiences in the comments below. Your feedback is invaluable, and together, we can create a supportive space for everyone dealing with joint health issues.